Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wise app. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Wise and you will enter here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.